Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be a quick demonstration of Honda's Auger protection system. What that is a system that's built into the front differential that actually senses slippage in the auger, and it will actually shut down the machine before it breaks shear pins or shear bolts. Now, this is the only machine, Honda's other own machine that I know of that have this system. I believe it's their patent. Basically, it will make you aware that you have locked up the auger and the machine will shut down, and this light right here will indicate red when that is active. So right away you're going to notice that the machine will shut down. It's happened to me before, and it did not break any shear bolts. So it did its job, and I want to kind of quickly demonstrate that for you guys in this video today. So if you see here, this is not your normal HSS. I have a couple add-ons that I have custom fabricated. I have the chute cover with a cutout in the bottom. I removed the factory collar, and this allows any slush or debris to fall out the chute and not clog the machine, but yet still keep a nice tight stream and keep no more blow-by hitting me in the face when the chute is rotated at 3 and 9 all the way backwards. If you guys have encountered blow-by, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It only happens when the chute is kind of pointed backwards on you. But on the auger, you will see that I have these paddles. Now that's something I made, and that's to prevent buildup on the auger shaft, all that wet sticky snow that tends to build up towards the end of the season. You're not going to have an issue with your powdery snow, your lightweight snow. It's not going to stick like that. It's only that heavy wet stuff, and you guys know what I'm talking about that have experienced that. But I'm going to go ahead and lay down some boxes and branches and see if I can get this thing to trip, and show you what the actual auger protection system does when it actually activates. So let me go ahead and set that up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so that did not work. As you can see, it made a complete mess all over my driveway. It snapped right through all the branches and the boxes, and everything is still intact. I'm gonna have to try something else now to get this to trip. So hang on tight, and I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so there you have it. The auger system, protection system, was triggered, machine shut off, and the augers and the impeller are all good. Okay, they spin all in unison. There's no broken shear bolts. And as you can see here, the red light is on and it's blinking. That shows that the auger protection system is activated and there was a trip in the system. So all you have to do to reset that is go back to off and you can restart your machine now. And we should be able to do that. Alright guys, so there you have it, the test and demonstration of the auger protection system with 2 pieces of frozen firewood. That's kind of a normal occurrence you would get in the winter time. You would get maybe some branches, pieces of firewood that have been kicked behind or left behind, and the machine by accident will want to try to digest it, and obviously it's not going to do that because of Honda's auger protection system, which actually works great. So like I said guys, I don't think there's any other machine out there that has this system on it, but I wanted to make a video demonstrating the whole process and how it works, because I haven't seen anything on YouTube demonstrating it. So as you can see here, now I got some stuff to clean up, but I'm glad to show you guys how the machine works and how it functions, and it's not a gimmick, and it actually is something that's actually functional and worth the money. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please place them right down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and do so. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.